What's up, guys? How's it going? Good? Oops, forgot I have my glasses on. They're my blue light glasses, I'm not actually blind. What's up? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all two videos, or not two videos, I'm just gonna be showing y'all two things that me and my family we love doing here around the house. So the first thing is gonna be the sunrises. Second thing is gonna be us kayaking just here around the house, and that's personally my favorite thing to do. But yeah, so hope you enjoy. Good morning. We decided to wake up early today so we could go watch the sunrise. Isn't that right, Levi? It's so cold out today. So I just woke up. I literally only packed shorts for this trip, so it's gonna be interesting. And this is the one long sleeve shirt that I brought, so. We just decided we're gonna go kayaking. And, oh, everyone's already in the water, except me. Oh. I wish you fell in. Alyssa!
Wait, how do I get in it?
No, how the hell was, like, what were you planning on doing there?
Now I gotta go get it.
What was your plan?
I don't have a plan. I just needed to get it in the water. I told you to stop. Problem solving is not Alyssa's forte.
No.
It's not my fault.
It's not your fault, but it's over there. Emma, what's up? You're dragging your jacket in the water.
Huh?
You're dragging your jacket in the water. My jacket in the water.
A lot of color right here.
So it's not that windy out. Everyone seems to be doing pretty okay. Trying to hit me?
Yeah.
I see. So I fell a little behind. Trying to get the GoPro all situated, so now I gotta catch up to everyone else. See, I'm not that far behind from everyone. What's up? The struggle bus. So right now we are kayaking right outside of our neighborhood channel, I guess you would call it. And we're kayaking over to this little rocky island that we like to just go walk around. Pretty fun. You definitely need flip-flops because it's too rocky and too sharp to walk barefoot. But hopefully it's not that cold so we can walk around. Hey, there she goes.
Thank you.
Oh, how nice.
Look how soaking wet.
You're just a little wet.
Just a little bit.
Oh yeah, so come up here. It's the marshes. Look.
Horseshoe crab?
Uh-huh. What's up?
Cooper!
What's up? pulled up. No, it's not. You're good. Come on, come on, go, jump. So my dad just showed up and we all decided to just get a ride back with him. So now we're loading all the kayaks up into the boat. We're just ahead right there. Yeah, he's our little boat Uber. We're literally gonna be towing the kayaks not even a full mile. Our little trail of kayaks. But if we're being honest, I don't think any of us want to kayak. Yeah. This is a whole lot easier.
It would be so fun to just sit like and just.
We could literally all just sit in the kayaks right now and just get towed back.
That was the most fun thing I've ever done. No, I muted it though.
This ropes would definitely snap. They're like this little.